This year, La Clínica is celebrating 45 years of service, so we're very happy about that. We are a nonprofit, federally qualified health center, and our mission is to serve diverse communities in the places where they live and to provide quality health care. And we do so in a way that respects people's culture, their language, and with the aim of providing the best quality health care that we can.
Abre grande, ya te di los stickers. Así.
La Clínica Dental provides services for a whole variety of children. The most special thing is the children with special needs, the children with multiple medical problems, developmental disabilities, or abnormalities of other sorts that are so difficult to be provided by practitioners in the community.
Charlie actually was born a 30-week preemie. He's medically complex. He has multiple disabilities. We started here at the dental clinic when he was about 3 years old. He took a fall at home and knocked out some of his teeth. And we came through the emergency room and they couldn't locate one of his teeth. So they sent us to the dental clinic for x-rays and to see Dr. Rothman, who found his tooth up in his sinuses.
These children don't have a lot of resources. And in particular with the fact the majority of these children are funded by Denti-Cal, these children are not seen in private practice, and there are very few hospitals that will take them in.
If I didn't have La Clínica Dental, I don't know what I would do. And that's the truth, because I have a doctor myself, I have a dentist myself. He wouldn't take care of Krista. They don't take the responsibility. They don't like to take handicapped children like that. So I'm really glad that La Clínica Dental exists, really. It's really good for children like my daughter. They take really good care of her.
The issue that we're having is that we have such a patient need and we don't have the capacity in terms of being able to treat the kids that are that need to be served. So this clinic is, we're very fortunate to have it, but it's a very old clinic and it's very antiquated.
The reality is that many more children need our services. We are a specialty clinic of sorts, seeing the most medically compromised children for dental services.
When you think about it as a facility, what it really does need is much more space. It needs space for a number of reasons. Individually, the rooms barely are big enough for wheelchairs and certainly are not big enough for hospital beds when a child has to come in. Funding is necessary to expand the clinic, modernize the clinic, and provide the kinds of services that these special patients need.
It's very difficult maneuvering around with Charlie's wheelchair. We usually have to wait in the hallway. Then getting into the room, which is very crowded, we have to open the door, take out some furniture, then Charlie wheels through, turns his chair around and gets out, and then we have to close the door, put the furniture back in, and then he transfers over to the dental table.
The expansion project will allow us to have bigger rooms and make our accessibility for handicapped patients much better. That's certainly one of the priorities I'm looking forward to. And just overall, I mean, we treat a lot of patients from the community as well now. And with increased operatories, increased numbers of operatories, we'll be able to treat more patients.
Our specialty clinic needs to survive, it needs to thrive, it needs to be responsive to the needs of our children. And we think we can do this by doubling our capacity, and that will go a long ways toward diminishing that wait list that we confront on a regular basis.
The reason why it's important to contribute to this cause is that no one else is standing there helping it. There are many opportunities to be philanthropic, and certainly the Children's Hospital and La Clínica both need your help. But this dental program is special. It really addresses a need that no one else is addressing, and your contributions will make this possible.
I'm really glad that people are willing to help to expand the clinic. Look at my daughter, they do need it. People like me and my daughter do need help, and they cannot find it. It's really, really hard to find a place like this.
I'm just grateful for all the years of good dental care and kindness, and they genuinely do care.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.